So we have the satellite question where the satellite is over the equator, and this here is 12,000. That's really much bigger. That's really tall. That's way up. The radius of the Earth, if we consider it as a sphere, it's close to it, and it is given that the radius of the Earth is 3960 miles. So the radius is given because really 12,960 miles is not the radius. The radius is the sum of these two, right? This thing is moving around. Now, for the velocity, or speed, we have to get the distance traveled divided by the time. How do we get those things? It's from that part of the statement where it says it can be seen over the same point on the Earth. And that means that this thing moves along with the rotation of the Earth. So that means that the distance should be a full cycle in 24 hours, which is what which is how the Earth revolves around its axis. So that's 2 pi times r over 24 hours, and that's 2 pi times, and this is probably the only tricky part of this problem, is that we have to add the radius of the Earth to this height. So it's 3,960 miles plus 12,960 miles over 24 hours. So this is the answer. The question is, what do they want? Exact value. They want rounded to the nearest integer. If I was a student and I would be writing an exam, I would write down what this sum is. Because maybe I'll make a mistake there, and the more steps you see, the more chances your teachers see how benign of a mistake you make. You just mispunched this sum. That should be very forgivable, lots of partial points. So the more you write, the more chances you get for partial scores. 3960 plus 12,960. Now, I cannot say times 2 pi because for that I would have had to put it in a parenthesis. So I'm just going to say equal. Now that's the thing in the parenthesis. So 2 pi times 16,920 miles divided by 24 hours. And you see the units are going to be perfect. It's miles per hour, which is what they want. So we're going to multiply this by 2 and multiply it by pi and then divide by 20. So that's pretty fast. It's almost 4,500 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. So it's 4,430 miles. We round up 9.6 to 10. 29.6 to 30. So it's approximately 430 miles per hour. And we check, yeah, that's the correct answer. If you divide this by, just curious, this is 1.2 miles per second, right? Every hour has 3,600 seconds in it, 60 minutes, 60 seconds in a minute. That means 1.23 miles per second. That's pretty fast. Thank you for watching.